Baby there. I just see one baby. Huh? One baby, kind of wet. Kind of looks like a boy. What do the rest of you think? What do the rest of you guys think, huh? Looks like that baby was born recently. Maybe about 5 o'clock.